Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are having an amazing day. So I have been thinking about studying drug and nutrient interaction for some days. So I have some of my notes taken earlier during my graduation years. So I have revised that whole thing and come to an conclusion. So today I will gonna some of those points with you all. Hopefully you will find it informative. So at first, what can drug do with the food intake is they can alter the food intake. For example, amphetamine, it's a drug for obesity or ADHD and some other diseases. So they can alter the appetite as well as change the sense of taste or smell. Some drug may induce nausea or vomiting tendency. Some drugs may interfere with the oral functions, like some antidepressant can cause dry mouth, and some cancer drugs like methotrexate may cause painful mouth ulcers, mouth inflammation, may alter the nutrient absorption by changing the acidity of digestive tract, damaging mucosal cells binding to the nutrient. Common example of it is antacid, which can interfere with the absorption rate of iron and folate. The nutrients may alter the drug absorption also, like some food can reduce or increase the drug absorption or can hinder the work of that certain drug, like stimulating the secretion of gastric acid, then altering the gastric emptying, completing for the absorption site in small intestine. An example is dietary amino acid, which can interfere with levodopa absorption. A nutrient may interact and alter the metabolism. Very important. Acting as a structural analogs, as do warfarin and vitamin K. Like warfarin is an anticoagulant, which blood thinner, which make blood thin. On the other hand, vitamin K is something which help to clot the blood. So these two things are not to be taken together. In clinical practice, it is in certain conditions we used to avoid vitamin K rich food for the people who are taking warfarin regularly. Using similar enzymes, for example, phenylbarbital induces liver enzyme that increase the metabolism of folate, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Competing for the transport of serum protein, fatty acid and drugs may compete for some sites of serum protein albumin. This may alter the nutrient excretion by altering nutrient absorption in kidneys. Some diuretic increase the excretion of sodium and potassium, causing diarrhea or vomiting. Diarrhea and vomiting may cause electrolyte losses. Food substances may alter drug excretion by inducing the activities of liver enzyme that metabolize drug, increasing drug excretion. Components of charcoal broiled meat increase the metabolism of warfarin. Substances and drugs may interact and cause toxicity by increasing the side effects of drug. Caffeine in beverage can increase the adverse effect of stimulants, increasing drug actions to excessive level. For example, grapefruit components inhibits the enzyme that degrade certain drugs, increasing blood concentration in the body. There are many aspects. As you can see, I have briefly told about them. So maybe in some other video I will explain them one by one. Thank you for listening.